The influence of social media on divorce proceedings is a topic of today's video. Social media serves as a crucial evidence in divorce proceedings, and during the divorce process, social media activity will be investigated. There are a few things for you to consider regarding the usage of social media in divorce proceedings. Firstly, ensure that you do not post anything that could be to your detriment in court, especially if the post may potentially affect your property division, parenting plan, and settlement agreements. Secondly, have a conversation with your friends and family that they should not share any embarrassing content of you on social media. Thirdly, attempt to reach an agreement with your spouse on content to be posted, especially where children are involved. Lastly, do not post anything that you would not want to be led as evidence or used against you in court. It's important one needs to be mindful and exercise caution in relation to what information is being posted. While it may be tempting to use social media as a support system, it is crucial that spouses avoid revealing any information relating to the case. In addition to social media, one also needs to be cautious of the information shared via networking websites, emails, and even text messages. It is not only the spouse's social media accounts that are of relevance. If there are children involved, the social media accounts of the children should also remain under scrutiny, as any of their posts may be used as evidence in proceedings, and it would be unfortunate if innocent posts are misconstrued. However, it is important to remember that social media can work in your favor, as it can reveal crucial information relating to your spouse. In conclusion, social media has significant effect on your divorce proceedings, from settlement rights right down to parental rights, which can be afforded to you. It is important to limit the usage of your social media to prevent your social media posts from being misconstrued and having detrimental impacts on the outcome of your divorce proceedings. Thank you for joining us today.